Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to screen record with audio on your iPhone. So let's start. First open settings. Now swipe down to enable search bar. Now tap on search bar and type in Control Center and tap on that. Now tap on Customize Controls. Scroll down and you'll see screen recording. Tap on the green plus icon just beside that. And your screen recording is now added to your control center. Now if you swipe up and open the control center, you'll see the screen recording there. Here you can see that my screen recording is going on. Now if you long press on the screen record, you'll see the microphone option. If you tap on that, your audio will be turned on. And if you tap on that again, your microphone will be turned off. And that's how you can screen record with audio. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.